Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. F of x equals to x square positive 2x positive k. In the function above, k is a constant. If the minimum value of f of x is 8, what is the value of k? Here we have a quadratic function in standard form, that is f of x equals to ax square positive bx positive c. When we have a quadratic function in standard form like this, the graph of this quadratic function will be a vertical parabola, and the parabola may open up or may open down. It depends on the value of a, that is the leading coefficient or the coefficient of x square. In our quadratic function, the coefficient of x square is 1, so it's a positive value. Since the leading coefficient is a positive value, so the vertical parabola we get for this quadratic function must open up. So this is the graph of this quadratic function, and here we have vertex at the bottom. When the parabola opens up, then the minimum value of the function f of x will be the y-coordinate at the vertex we have over here. So here we have the minimum value of the function f of x, that is 8. So this 8 must be the y-coordinate at the vertex of the parabola. Okay, here when we have quadratic function standard form like this, there is a formula to get x coordinate at the vertex over here. So the formula is x equals to negative b over 2a. Okay, x equals to negative, this b is the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x in our quadratic function is 2. So we can plug in this 2 for b over here, then negative 2 divided by 2a, that is 2 times a. A is the coefficient of x square. So in the given quadratic function, the coefficient of x square is 1. So that is the value of a is 1. We can plug in 1 for this a. Then we get x equals to negative 2 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. We get x equals to negative 1. Here I got the x coordinate of the vertex, that is negative 1. Okay, now let me write this x coordinate over here, that is negative 1. Now I got the vertex of the parabola, and also this vertex is a point on the parabola over here. Now, to get the value of the constant k over here, we have to plug in this point into this function. Usually, when we have the graph of a function f of x in an xy plane, this f of x represents a y-coordinate. So that is, we can replace this f of x by y. Then the quadratic function will become y equals to x square positive 2x positive k. Now we can plug in this point into this equation. So that is, we have to plug in this x coordinate negative 1 for x over here and here, and the y coordinate 8 for y over here. Then we get 8 equals to negative 1 the whole square positive 2 times negative 1 positive k. 8 equals to, the value of negative 1 the whole square is just 1. Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 1 is 2 positive k. Okay, here 8 equals to, when I combine positive 1 and negative 2, I am getting negative 1 positive k. Here let me add 1 to both sides of this equation. Then this negative 1 positive 1 will cancel out. On the left side I am getting 8 positive 1, that is 9. On the right side we have k. Okay, here I got the value of k. The value of k is 9, and I find this 9 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.